Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you go to fan timeline down in the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. As you see here in the daily, today it's a very big red day here as you see it. So if you remember what me I told you yesterday in yesterday video, I told you we got here a very clear flag here like this as you see it. So till now we haven't broken down here. I'm talking here about the daily. We haven't broken down here for us to know the Bitcoin is going to make that correction as we've been talking about that for long now. And another thing here in the top, let me show you here that the flag and here in the top like that, and the flag we started from down here like that. So till now nothing confirmed. There is no bear market started here in the daily. Yes, us we been talking now that 4 weeks we've been saying we got here a very clear divergence. I can even show it to you now, and I've been showing you where is exactly the Bitcoin is going to make that correction. Because if you remember what us we saying here in the daily, we got here a up channel like that, and here we make it like that. Yes or no? You remember or no? What else we said? We said there is a correction going to come from here till down here, and that for the people they haven't entered is going to be a nice opportunity for them to buy again. Over here, that level here, where also we accepting the Bitcoin will fall down. Let me show you where is it. You came here and you're doing like that. So either it's going to fall down to that level here or that peak here. Then after that, it's going to make a correction. So there is a correction going to come. So you need to be careful about it. Where we are not sure exactly, guys, and no one can tell you now. Maybe we're going just to fall down to that level here, that one here. Then after that, we're going to go up. And also we follow the price action. When it's going to give us the right time to enter long, we're going to enter long. Till now, I'm still believing there is a correction going to come. That's normal because there is no market moving just like that. Always the market is working by waves like that, high, low, high, low. So even that one is a part of the market. Yes, there is a correction going to come, but till where we don't know. And now there is nothing yet confirmed. I just show you here. We got here a flag here. Even that flag, it hasn't getting broke down. So there is no entry now. If it's getting broke up, also we're going to enter long again. If it's getting broke down here in that level, also we are going to wait in to buy from down again. Everything is too clear, guys. And let me show you why I'm still believing there is that correction going to come. You remember that one I showed it to you before. I told you we got here a very clear divergence here. Look at it here. A very clear divergence, guys. That's why I'm still believing there is a correction going to come. Because the Bitcoin, when it's given always a divergence, that the top always happen a big falling down. That's why I'm still believing there is a falling down going to come. Now let's go into see the coming news for today for picture to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, as you see it, we got a very busy day, but not very important news. Let's make it like that. We got here initial jobless claim, Philadelphia manufacturing index plus exiting home sales. So medium careful here or medium morning here. So you need to be careful a little bit, guys. And here our table. That one we follow it every day. Look at it, what it's telling us today. All US stocks today, they are red, excepted the Nasdaq, as you see it. And who make US stocks, Dow Jones and the SP 500 to fall down is the Netflix earning. That's why you saw the market is falling down, plus the banking. The problem is go back again. And here, our friend, the VIX, look at it. Currency is still very low. 16.46. Even also we still very low down. The good news here, but US dollar today, it's slightly a little bit up. That way you see the Bitcoin is falling down. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. By the way, you Did you smash the like button? I know you don't. Pause the video now, smashing the like button, writing down a comment, support us guys. You know that channel without you can growing up, so please go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Here in the 4 hours, you remember what us we saying here? People they being with us, we used to have here a flag here, like that. And also we enter short when it's breaking here. Now it's showing to us it go back here to that level and now it's falling down. I'll give you another price action here. If you remember it, what else we used to say here we have? We used to say we have here a wage like that. Yes or no? And that wage, look at it, it's getting broke here in that level here, guys. You see it or no? That indicating also we are going to go down till here, till 24,100. Yes or no? Because over here it needs to be the take profit for that. If you enter short or swing trading. Another price action we got here, very clear price action here. Look with me here. What we got here? We got here a very clear cup and handle, and the cup and handle here, it's breaking the neckline, guys. Do you see it or no? Over here, we're breaking the neckline. So the take profit for that one where it needs to be. We came here, we're doing a line like that, and we do it like that, the same line we do it here. So maybe we are going to fall down till over here, as you see it, over here, exactly. At 27,300. By the way, someone, he asked me yesterday when is it that push up here. He told me he entered a short, should he close it? I told him no, if we don't break in here, that level here, there is no closing the short. And that's what happened today. The market show us we are right. So now, me personally, I think us we are going to fall down till down here. That the first target here. Second target is it down here at that level here, that one. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into our indicator to explain more why us we are going to enter short here for swing trading. Here we are, that our indicator. You remember yesterday we enter here to the bear market, then we go back to the trend line here, and now the market what it's showing to us. You remember what me I told you? I told you it needs to fall down to break for us that last low here. Did it break it? Look at it. Look where we are now. Just by your eye, you gave an example. Look here, and look where we are. What here is giving you? It giving you here a low, high, another low. So you are in a downtrend here. Yes or no? So us here, technically we break that trend line here, that one. Yes or no? Now what should we do? We enter short and we go with it till we enter here to the oversold area. And that for the people they using marginal leverage. For people they trading without leverage, without margin, over here we are going to buy again. Because for long-term investors, when we enter here, us always we buy. Everything is too clear, guys. So here in the 4 hours, what is it the market telling us? It's telling us we are in a bear market, guys. We are in a bear market. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, you remember what me I told you here? You can find it in the last video picture. We told you here that level here is a stronger level. Yes or no? That's what me I told you. Now, what the Bitcoin is doing here? Look at that indicator here. It's breaking that level here. And even here in the chart, we're breaking that level here. Yes or no? So what that indicating? It's indicating us we are going here to the oversold area, guys. Yes or no? When we touch in the oversold area, we need to take some of the profit. And I just show you where is the take profit, where is everything. And look with me here at that cup and handle, how clear it is here. You see it or no? And we're breaking the neckline now. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, you remember what me I told you in yesterday video? I told you we got here a cup and handle here. If we break in the neckline here, also we are going to go more higher. Did we break it? No. Look at it. We haven't broken here. And instead, the market, it gave us here another price action. Look at it, what it gave us here. It gave us here another cup and handle here. And that one, did it break for you the neckline? Yes. Look at it. It's breaking here, the neckline. So for the people, they haven't entered short from that level here, they can enter now short. And in yesterday video, what me I told you here? I told you the market, if it gave you here a double top and breaking the neckline here, enter short, it's break it, look at it, it's break it here. So we'll have you enter from here. Now you are in a nice profit. For that cup and handle here, for people they haven't entered, because you got here a very clear cup and handle here. Look at it. And that the neck line here. Where is the take profit for that one? you came, you doing here a line like that, and here you doing like that. So the take profit for that one is here, down here at that level at 27,800, guys. Everything is too clear, and we got here another price action. Look with me here. Look here, and look here. We got here a very clear head and shoulder here. But that one, it's not yet breaking the neckline here down. Take profit for that one is the same here, down at that level at 27,800, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is it here at the oversold area. Should we looking for buy now? Yes, you can. But you need to come here and you drawing here a trend line like that. And you waiting. If the market came and breaking above here the trend line, you can enter long again. There is no problem in that. If the market came here and breaking here the trend line, you can enter long. And for the people they enter short, if the market break here the trend line, you need to enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, and please guys don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.